How's it going, everybody? Hope you had a great day. Decent little kind of morning in the market. It was a little consolidated. Got a couple little trades here. Should have held longer, but that was earlier this morning. I took one. Where was the two? Where's the first one? First one was here, I believe, somewhere. No, maybe it was just short. Oh, maybe it was short. I'm not even sure. A couple of these little ones. No, it was earlier. But anyway, wherever it was to. But got one here. Should have held. Didn't hold. Got one here, little pop-up. A couple of these little pop-ups. Oh, this is the one here, yeah. I was looking at this earlier this morning. Consolidated a bit, dipped down below. I took a little, after I pulled back, took a long here. Should have held it because it just continued, but I didn't. I was like, no, I might just pull back. So, that was kind of crappy. But besides that, after the opening range breakout, it just kept going. Now it's dipping, you know what I mean? But just pumped like crazy. So hopefully you're having a good day. I'm up 500 today in our other account. Only trading small size, 2 micros. If I see it, like I get in with 2 micros and it starts pulling back on me a little bit of drawdown, I'll wait for it for the initial setup I was kind of looking for, and then I'll add like 2 more, sometimes 4, but mostly just 2. So it'll be up to 4, and then let it pull back wherever it needs to go, and then take my profit. But yeah, it's been working really well with small size. Like, I've been struggling with 8 micros or 1 mini to make 500 a day, and I'm doing it like pretty easy with 2 because you got so much more room to let it move around. So something to look into, something to think about, especially in these crazy markets, because market's been nuts. Like even these ones here, like $100, like you're down $100. This is a huge move. You know what I mean? Like if I was in 1 micro, that would be, my God, I'd be down like 500. So. Sorry, 1 mini. So it really helps, you know what I mean? But hopefully you had a good day too. But if you didn't, please use code JW, Take Profit Trader. Small code, get you right back trading. Thanks to everybody using the code. You guys know who you are. You're awesome. I really appreciate it. And Trade Day has my code JWT, and they got 30% off, no activation fee as well. They're basically like Take Profit Trader, pretty much the same thing. But yeah, thanks to everybody coming on the stream. I didn't really see many people on this morning because I wasn't on very long because the market was just dead. So it wasn't much point to trade the pre-market when it's sometimes when it's good, it's fine, but when it's totally dead, it's like it's a waste of time for everybody. So why just sit there? So I just said, nope, I'm done with that. Not gonna bother. But like I said, happy weekend. Have a good weekend. Hopefully you had a good day trading. Hopefully you had a good week trading. I didn't really have a good week, but hopefully you did. And we'll be back to normal on Monday, and hopefully the market will be less choppy in the PM and pre-market. Sorry. But anyway, have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.